Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will go over how to backup and restore ETCD in a Kubernetes cluster. So ETCD is a supercritical component because it stores all the state and configuration data for the cluster. Okay, so if something goes wrong, if we don't have a backup, then we could really end up losing everything. So that's the reason we should really have a backup for the ETCD database. So it's really important to have a solid backup strategy in place. So we will see what are the prerequisites required for backup and restore. So we can go through the Kubernetes documentation for the steps how we can back up the ETCD database and restore it. So here you can search with ETCD backup and restore. So I'm going to open the first link, and here on the right pane you can click on snapshot using ETCD CTL option. So before we take the snapshot or backup, you need to ensure you have access to the control plane node where the ETCD is running, and you need to have the admin privilege on the Kubernetes cluster. And the way how we can interact with the ETCD is using the ETCD CTL tool. So using the ETCD CTL tool, we can interact with the ETCD for backup and restore. Okay, so before we start the backup, let's go to the Kubernetes cluster. So this is my util server kubectl get nodes. So here I have one master node and two worker node, which is running on Kubernetes version 1.29.9 version, and you have to log into the master node from where we will take the backup. So now I'm going to SSH to the master node. Okay, here if you go to etc Kubernetes manifest, where you can see all the YAML file. For example, if you cat the etcd.yaml, here you can find all the information about the etcd pod. So this is running in the kube system namespace, and where lib etcd, this is where all the etcd data gets stored. So using this data directory, we will be restoring it. So to check the etcd pod, you can run this command kubectl get pod. So this will be running in the kube system namespace -o void. So we can grab with etcd. So etcd pod is running on the master node, and this is the IP address. Okay, to check the etcd version, you can cat the etcd.yaml file. So let me go to the manifest location, cat the etcd.yaml, and you can grab with the image. So the current version of etcd is 3.5.15. Okay, now let me go back to the documentation. So here we are going to take the snapshot using the etcd CTL utility. So we need to install that in our cluster. So we are going to perform the backup from the master node. So we need to have the ETCD CTL tool installed here. So to install it, you can use apt install etcd client. Okay, so here we will be using this command for the snapshot. So let me copy it. So we need a few details like CS cert and certificate. This is the cert file and key file and the backup location where we want to save the backup. So we can get these details from the etcd.yaml. So to get the CS cert, you have to look up the trusted CA file. So let me cat etcd.yaml and grep. So this is the trusted CA file. So we need to copy this path and we can just paste it here. And for the cert, we can take the cert file. Okay, let me copy this server.crt, and the next one is the key file. Okay, this is the path for the key file, which is server.key. Okay, and I'm going to save the snapshot in this location, backup slash etcd backup.db. Okay, I'm going to copy this command and will be paste it here. Okay, so either you can run the export command for the etcd ctl API equal to 3, or you can just use it as part of the command and followed by the endpoints. So this is going to be the endpoint IP address and running in this 2379 port number. Okay, so I'm just copying it and pasting it here. So this is the endpoints and this is the CS cert and this is the cert file and this is the key file, and I'm going to use this location as the backup. So for me, slash backup is not exist. I'm going to first create slash backup. Then let me copy this command. Okay, snapshot saved at slash backup etcd backup.db. So before that, let's see what are all running here, because if I just go to kubectl get pod, I can see some of the replica sets, Nginx deployment, and there is one of the static pod running in my cluster. And in case of any issues, let's say if we upgrade the cluster and if something goes wrong, then all the pods, all the objects stored in this cluster will have issues, right? So to roll back to the previous state, we can use the backup so that we can restore it and get the cluster up and running. So for now, I have taken the backup of my ETCD where all the objects will be taken the backup. I can also run kubectl get all. Here we can see all the replica sets and the deployment pods. These are all the services running in my cluster. Okay, now I'm going to deploy one pod, kubectl run after snapshot pod image equaled nginx kubectl get pod. So now I have additional pods after snapshot pod 1 is running here, and there are some replica sets and deployment as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to restore the backup. So once I restore the backup, then whatever the new pod I have created here, that will be gone. Let me create one more pod as well, pod 2. Okay, so these two pods I have created after I have taken the backup. So once I restore the backup, these two will be gone, and whatever only the previous state will be restored. Okay, now to restore the snapshot, let's see what are the steps. So here is the restoring an ETCD cluster. So I'll be using the ETCD CTL command. So ETCD CTL for restoring has been deprecated since version 3.5, and it's slated for removal from 3.6 version. So ours is 3.5, so it is already deprecated, but we can still use this. So we need to have the ETCD CTL tool installed on the master node, and then we can use this command for restoring the snapshot. Okay, to check the snapshot, we can use the snapshot status command. So I'm going to copy this. You can use snapshot status backup etcd backup. So I'm going to write out equal to table. Okay, so currently total size is 4.8 MB, and these are the total keys. So basically all the etcd database will be stored in a key value pair, and etcd backup and restore is one of the questions as well in the CKA exam. So I'm going to restore the backup using this command. So you have to provide the backup location for restoring etcd backup.db, and data directory location would be where libetcd. How do we know what is the data directory location? So we can get it from the etcd grub data directory. So where lib etcd is the data directory location where all the data will be stored. So I'm going to restore the backup into the same location. So since it is already there, first I'm going to delete it where lib etcd. So I have deleted the etcd file and then I'm going to restore it from the backup. Okay, let me delete it and restore it. Okay, now let me run kubectl get pod. Okay, it says error from server. Okay, let's wait for a few seconds. Okay, now we can see after snapshot, after we restored from the backup, we don't see there was two pod that we have deployed that is gone. Okay, so these were the pods in a previous state where we have taken the backup, because once we restore it takes a few seconds to populate the data. Okay, so now we were able to successfully restore from the backup. Okay, so that's it in this video, and I'll see you in the next. Thank you.